there's no doubt that you've seen this 1,000 times for other reviews. I don't know, just thought I'd do another one and show you what I'm trying to accomplish with this. I bought myself a little Vortex magnifier. I'm gonna try to put this on this because I do really like my Eotech. I spent a lot of time thinking about, should I just get, Vortex or some other type of optic in here that's got some type of built-in magnification, 1 to 6, 1 to 4, there's a ton of them out there, but I'm still in love with my Eotech. I'm not ready to set free, 1,000 plus for the Eotech scope. So I'm gonna see if I can mount this somehow onto here, keeping my flip-up sights, and see if I can get this to work. So, who has seen an unboxing of this? Everybody by this time, but let's see if I can't do what everybody else has done. So we'll start off with the box. Yeah, it's plastic covered cardboard box. I don't expect anything else. Put this down here. Okay, so some obligatory stuff here. Here we go. Nitrogen purged. You should know this. If you're looking for 3 power magnifier, there's only a few of them out there that are high quality. You're gonna have this, you're gonna have the Eotech's brand, but $500 some odd dollars, a bit more than I want to pay for that. I like the Vortex stuff. I think it's fantastic. Not a super fan of the fact it's made in China, but it is what it is. That's, you want to save some money, it's made in China. So let's open this up. Cleaning cloth, instructions, that's fantastic, foamy piece, you're going to have your mount, so it's got a washer, lock washer, thumb stud, you can torque that down, it's okay, you're going to have that work. Okay. Looks like maybe a spacer, riser, some screws, a little RFID security thing for the retail store. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Plastic bag, don't choke on that. All right, here we go. The VMX-3T. I'm an idiot. It's a Victor Mary X-ray-3 Tom. So, looks like we have a dioptic adjuster on this side. And these are for centering. So, again with the Made in China sticker. Get rid of this thing. Get it off there. Look at that. Oh, all gone. So, we're going to try to take that and mount it to this. I'll get back to you. We'll see where we go. Okay. I'm assuming that you can see me. So, nope, too tight. No, for all you folks out there worried, this is empty, cleared, checked, and got it. Close this here. All right, big screwdriver, little part. I'm gonna have to re-zero this, I'm sure. Take this off. What have we got? I've got this, and I have decided that I want this to flip to my left. So let's see if I need a riser. So I'm going to dry fit this in here. So if I want to flip to my left, I'm going to go this way. Someone out there is screaming right now that I'm doing this wrong, and I get it. I should have read the instructions, but I'd rather see how this works. Okay, so theoretically if I take this, move this, okay. So first win, I want to see if this is going to be above my pop-up side here, because I want to be able to flip it up and use this. A, our policy by our department requires it. B, you know, if your optics fail, you want something to rely on. So, theoretically, if I take this back, I'll line this up. The other problem with this Eotech, which I do love the Eotech, is my buttons are on the front, which won't be a problem if this is flipped, but if this is down like this, it's going to be a real pain in the butt to get in there. Some of the models have on the side. I've got the AA battery version. I think it's a 512. You can get the smaller one. I'm an old school guy, like AA's. So if this is lined up, let me see if I can get this to come on. All right. If I go in this way, that's kind of cool. All right, I don't think I'm gonna need the riser, so we'll just mount it up like this. I don't think I can come any closer. No, so this is where it's at. And if I find out that this is all wrong, I need to mount it some completely different way, I'm gonna show this too. Okay, let's just hand tighten this down for now. I've got to check my eye relief, so let me just flip this over and get my screws. I'm just going to dry fit this for now. If it's where I like it to be, I'll put a little bit of Loctite on here. Some short little screws. It looks like you've got two sizes of screw. So if you put this plate in here, you have got, you can see this here, you've got some longer screws and some shorter screws. Obviously I'm using shorter ones. All right, super quick and dirty install. So if you were curious how this mounts onto, this is an SBR, it's legal. So this is an SBR here. I've got my Eotech with my AA battery, which I think is a 512. I'll double check that. I've got my Vortex 3 times, and I've got my mag pull pop-up in the back. So if I needed to flip this over and go right to my pop-ups, I don't know if it's lined up still. I'll have to check that out. But those are my backup sights. Not a huge super fan of this mount. It's okay. You know, it's got a lock ring washer in there, but I wish it was a bit more robust. It just has a single bolt through here with this little plate that holds it in place on top of the rail. I've got a couple of screws that hold this in place here. I'm going to put some Loctite on those once I get everything dialed in just right. This has got a nice positive click to it here. So if you come down, it locks in place. It's not going to go anywhere. You push your button, bring it back, and it will click into place. There. It does go a little further. Not sure why, but it stops there, and it locks in place this way. So as long as I can still operate it, you know, it'd be hard to rake it. If I wanted to rake it, this might get in the way, but I chose to go to the left instead of the right. I might switch it. This is just how I want to run it at the moment. All right, change of plans. Running it on the left side, horrible idea, because I can't have both eyes open and use my sight properly. So again, that was a practical error on my side. So let's see if we can't adjust this. All right, you're gonna look from here. So I gotta flip it around. I wish that this here, this button that you press to unlock it and disengage it was in the back, but it's not. So I'm just stuck with the way it is. I don't think I can switch it. Okay. A little strange, but I think that works much better. As I come up, yeah, this doesn't bother me at all. It does kill some of my peripheral vision to the right, so, but since I'm using both eyes this way, I can co-witness much better. So, all right, I'm gonna get zeroed in. I'll see how it works, if there's any changes. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll see how it works. Thanks.